So before we will see what is Snowflake. Hello. Tell me what is Snowflake? Anyone? It's a it's a what?
Managed cloud
It's a
database.
cloud-based. See, cloud-based, fully managed. So fully managed data warehouse. Okay, so this is mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, it's a cloud-based, fully managed data warehouse. This is mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, it can handle what can handle? It can handle huge volumes of data. Okay, so huge volumes in the sense like what? How much it can handle? Any guess? How much volume approximately?
Petabytes and terabytes of data.
So terabytes and petabytes of data. Okay, see, it can handle terabytes to petabytes of volumes. It can handle easily. Snowflake is a SaaS model. See, one more time, already discussed. One more time, let us see. What is SaaS model? What is SaaS model? Tell me what is SaaS model?
Just a software as a model. We don't have to buy any hardware.
Software as a service.
Like it's a software as a service.
Pay as you model.
So no need to buy any software or any hardware. So just create account. So just create account. Okay, and work on it. Okay, see this was the function. See what happened. So just we need to create account and use it and use the services. Okay, see simple thing. If you see this one, this is what? This is Oracle database. We want to install this software or we want to install this ID. But if you see Snowflake, we'll see today, no need to create any software or anything. So just to create account and work on it. This is the concept of SaaS model. Okay, same thing. Snowflake is a pay as you go model. What is pay as you go model? What it means? If I use for 1 hour, I should pay for 1 hour only. Okay, that's what the point. Okay, see, in Snowflake, there are two types of cost. What are the cost? Storage cost plus compute cost will be associated. So see one more time. So you need to understand these points are important. Snowflake is a cloud-based, fully managed. Who is managing? Snowflake is managed, fully managed data warehouse. This is mainly for what? Mainly for data storage, then data processing, and data analytics. So this is the functionality. It can handle huge volumes, petabytes to terabytes of volumes. It can handle easily. Okay. So this is mainly for what? Snowflake is mainly for OLTP or OLAP. Any guess? Mainly for OLAP. OLAP is mainly for what? Mainly for analysis. What about OLTP? That is for day-to-day transactions. Okay, so this is for analysis. It's a fully managed cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for analytical solution. Like this, you should put in mind. And it's a SaaS model. Okay, and say pay as you go model. That's what the point you need to remember. Okay. So then what discuss? Tell me. So see, our role will be what? What's our role after completion of this session? We need to apply for what? Apply for what?
Snowflake developer.
So Snowflake developer. Okay, or we call as data engineer. You see, data engineer. We are a data because we are working on data. We are modifying data. We are playing with simple data. Okay, see, we are going for Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer profile. Okay, so far good. Okay. So then what discussed? Tell me. Then we discussed your team members. Okay, so as a part of Snowflake developer, you need to understand who are your team members. Tell me who are your team members. Tell me who are team members.
Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer, Snowflake admin.
Okay, so the one's a mix of earphones, please. Please honestly. See, so we have Snowflake developer team. It's called as dev team. Okay, so approximately depends on, see, remember, so company to company or project to project. Okay, so it will be varying, like 7 to 15 members will be there. Depends on the project. Okay, Snowflake developer dev team. So junior resource and senior resource will be there. And then admin team. Nothing but what? Who is this thing? Which guy? Snowflake admin guy will be there. Then any other thing? Anyone? Developer team, admin team. Then
Architect.
okay, architect. Snowflake architect. Then what? Then that's it. Huh?
QA.
QA, nothing but testing team will be there. That is QA team, quality assurance team. Then who will be there? So reporting people, nothing but what? The BI people. Okay, so business intel, nothing but the Power BI guy. Okay, or the Tableau guy. Okay, then what? DevOps people. What they try to do? Any guess? Tell me. Anyways, that will take care of CACD or the deployment process. Okay, then the team lead, the project manager, okay, the scrum master. Those are coming from non-IT. You need to understand all this concept. Okay, who are your team members? So this is 32 is our thing. But what happened? You should know what the other guys will do. The admin guy, architect testing team, reporting team, DevOps team, the team lead, the project manager, scrum master. All these guys will form as a team. Okay, so in a project around 7 to 15 members will be there. Depends on the project. Okay, so this is the functionality. Tell me now, Snowflake is mainly for what projects we are going on right now? Scope of your project. Tell me you're working for which project? Anybody ask me what you say? Scope of your project?
Migration.
So we are working on migration project. Okay, you should put in a resume that I have worked on migration project. So what is migration project? What is data migration project? Tell me. What it means?
On-premises to cloud.
So moving the data from on-premises or a legacy system. Legacy system, nothing but the old system, or sometimes cloud to Snowflake. So moving the data, what data? Moving the existing data. So your existing data should be there in any of the on-premises system, legacy system, or cloud to Snowflake. See, simple things. So if you see, this is Oracle database. These are the tables. These are the views, functions. Already code will be there, or the definition will be there. So according to Snowflake standard, we want to migrate it. So this is the functionality. So moving the existing data from on-premises or legacy system or cloud to Snowflake. So where your data sources, tell me, your existing data will be there where? Existing data will be there where? Where it is in which database? It can be in Oracle database. Then SQL Server database. Then MySQL. So DB2. Then it can be the okay data warehouse, Teradata, SAP HANA system, Hadoop. Okay, CNET as okay. So Greenplum. So remember, you need to work on any of the things from SQL Server to Snowflake, or MySQL to Snowflake, or PostgreSQL to Snowflake, or Redshift to Snowflake. So simple company to company, they want to migrate their data because of some reasons. What happened? The clients wants to migrate their existing data to Snowflake. So this is called as what? Called as migration. So data will be there in any of the databases or the any data warehouse. So we want to move to Snowflake. Now what exactly we are trying to migrate? Tell me what exactly. Tell me what exactly we are trying to migrate. Trying to migrate what? So it's saying like we are trying to migrate to Snowflake. What we are trying to migrate?
Table views.
So tables, views. So see, we'll go for as a faces will be there. will work on, so remember, okay, those ones, so make sense. See, so there will be three phases will be there. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. In the first phase, tables. In the second phase, views. In the third phase, functions and procedures. See, you need to understand clearly. So will work on any of the phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So see, so any of the phases. So tables migration phase, views migration phase, functions and procedures and testing. So see, we need to validate. So testing phase will be there. So tables, so views, functions and procedure and the testing phase. So tell me, like, migration project will be last for how many months or how many years? Any guess? Last for 1 year to 3 years. So depends on the volumes. So it will work like mostly like 40 terabytes to 200 terabytes. So in this range, any of the things it will be there. Like terabytes only will try to work. Okay, see, tables, views, functions, and procedures will try to migrate it. Got the point? So this is the concept. Clear so far? So phases, so tables, views, functions, and procedures. So see, simple thing. Assume like this is my Oracle simple use case. So this is what create table. This is what it's a table. Okay, we'll see one second. Let me have a bit. One second, please. We'll see in detail, set up everything. So you need to understand. So this is what you this is Snowflake. Snowflake. Tell me, we are installing any software, just we are trying to create. We'll see this one, how to create a setup. Okay, so let me go to Oracle database, copy the same thing. So put here, select the database. We'll see, I'll try to explain how to navigate. Okay. So see what happened. It is saying, so this is not there. So we need to like it open. Tell me, we are doing anything, we are trying to create a new logic, no. So already everything is there, just according to Snowflake standard, we are trying to migrate it. One more time. So if you see this one, what happened? This is in Oracle database. So if I copy as it is, it will work, it won't work. So we need to change according to Snowflake standard. Same thing, data migration is that what? So our data, our definition will be there in data sources. But what happened according to Snowflake standards, we want to migrate it. This was the functionality. So your job responsibility, same thing. So your tables will be there, your views will be there, your logic will be there. According to Snowflake standard, we need to make it, migrate it, validate it, test it, and we need to give it. This is the functionality. This is simple thing. So your everything will be there here, but according to Snowflake, we want to migrate it. So we want to test it, we want to validate it, and we want to transform it and give to the reporting people. This is our roles and responsibilities. So as a part of Snowflake developer, we need to migrate the existing tables, existing views, logic, so that it will be according to Snowflake standard. Same thing we should give to reporting people. They try to consume your data. This is the functionality. So data migration. So you should have at least idea on one database, any database, whatever is put in resume. You should have like I have worked on Oracle to Snowflake, or SAP system to Snowflake, or NetAS. So at least have knowledge on one database. At least you know how to navigate, how to see the views, how to check everything. You can able to understand this the functional. You should know how to check all this information. That's what the point. Okay. So this is so far good. Okay. So see, like high level we'll see, then we can go for this is the project flow. If you're able to understand this thing, remain will be simple and easy. Okay. See, listen carefully. See, so your data sources. Your data sources will be what? It will be in files, CSV files, in the on-premises or cloud. So see now what happened. My client is having data in the files format, on-premises data, and SAP systems in different regions. Okay, so different regions across the world. Okay, see, it is in CSV data, Oracle data, SAP system, India, US, UK, in different part of the world, my data is available. Now client is saying, I don't want in data, historical data in the on-premises. I want to move to somewhere. Where I want to move, tell me this data, I want to move to some place. What is some place? The historical data. Tell me where I want to migrate our data.
Okay.
So Snowflake. So see, this is called as what? Moving the data from on-premises, our legacy system, our cloud to Snowflake. This is called as what? Called as migration project. So see, we need, so this is what tell me. So we are trying to build a pipelines. Tell me what is the normal purpose of pipe? To flow the water. So this is a data pipeline. What we are trying to migrate? Our data on premises or cloud to Snowflake. So we are building ETL data pipelines to Snowflake. So we are migrating our data to Snowflake, the historical data and the current data. So see, we are trying to migrate it, validate it, test it, transform it, and give to data consumers, reporting people, business intelligence people, data science people, AI people. They try to visualize and they try to forecast. See, our data will be there. We want to create the data pipelines. Okay, test it, validate it, transform it, and automate it, and give to the consumption layer. They try to consume our data, they try to build the dashboard, and they can able to do whatever they want. Okay, so we want to use this transform data to them. So data will be there, create the pipelines, test it, validate it, transform it, and these pipelines we need to automate it. No need to execute manually. We need to automate the process and give to the consumption layer. This is the concept of data pipelines. So we are trying to build the data to them and they try to consume the data. Got it? Yes or no? So this is the concept of data pipeline. So our roles and responsibility what? So see, so data migration. Okay, data validation. Okay, so these things only we should say in intro. So data validation. So data transformation. So data automation. So after creating, we need to work on the auto. Okay, see data pipelines building, then documentation. So we want. So this is our roles and responsibilities. Clear so far? End out up here. So this is the concept of migration, validate it, transform it, and out. This image you need to put your mind. So data will be there, bring it, transform it, and the same thing. Now question is that why the companies are migrating their data? Tell me they're migrating their data. Tell me why the companies are migrating their data. What is reason? Reason? Because it's a SaaS. Snowflake is a SaaS model. It's a cloud. Tell me then. So security reasons and the cost cutting. Any other reasons? So the performance. It can handle huge volumes without any issues. Okay, then easily scalable. It's a scalable application. It can handle huge volumes of data. We can scale in, scale out. We can scale up, scale down. We can do anything. Okay, so easily scalable solution. Okay, the performance, cost cutting. Because of all these reasons, what happened? The clients wants to migrate to Snowflake. Now, question is that what now? I want to communicate with Snowflake. Tell me how to communicate with Snowflake. Tell me simple thing. As of now, this is fine. Now what happened now? I want to communicate with the Snowflake. How to communicate? Tell me. Suppose like people are there. So people one, okay, see person one. So Praveen is there. I want to communicate with Kumar. How to communicate with Kumar? Through a what? Through a language. What language? It can be Telugu. Okay, it can be Hindi. It can be English. Okay, so see, same thing now. Praveen is there. Okay, see now I want to communicate with Snowflake. Here also what? A language is coming to picture. What is the language? How to
Structure language.
by using SQL. So see, we are trying to solve the SQL. See, Now what happens? Simple thing. So if I want to communicate with any database, so I want to communicate with a database or a data warehouse. How can I communicate? Tell me, Telugu will work? No. There is also called as a language. What the language? That is SQL. So see, by using SQL, I can able to communicate with any database, any data warehouse or Snowflake. See, what is SQL? It's a structured query language. Okay, see, so what's the so structured query language? It is used to what its purpose? It is used to communicate with what with any database or any data warehouse or Snowflake data warehouse. So simple thing. If I want to communicate with any database or any data warehouse, I require a language. That language is called as SQL. It acts as a bridge between between user and Snowflake. So simple thing. If I want to create a table, if I want to drop a table, if I want to fetch data, what I need to ask by using what? By using SQL. It acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. It's a structured query language. It is used to communicate with any database or any data warehouse. So it acts as a bridge between what? Bridge between user and Snowflake. Snowflake. Got the point? So it's the concept of SQL. Simple thing. So SQL. So SQL nothing but you need to learn all this concept. What is concept? So SQL commands, filtering, sorting, functions, set operators. So nulls, aggregate, analytical. So these are all the things you need to learn. Okay, so we'll see step by step. So it acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. Simple thing. So if you know English, nothing but what? English contains alphabet. Same thing in SQL, it contains SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statements are basic building blocks of SQL. Tell me, so SQL commands, SQL languages, statements, so basic building blocks of SQL. What we're having? DDL. Tell me anyone. These are important and basics. So see that's why they're saying basic building blocks of SQL. If you want to learn SQL, this all the commands are important and mandatory. So without this, nothing is there on the SQL part. Tell me what is SQL commands or languages or statements we're having. DML, then
ETL,
TCL, TRL
TRL.
or DQL or DCL. DCL. Okay, so this is the concept. So DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Okay, see. So what is DDL? It's a data definition language. Okay. So what is DML? We'll see the same. It will take 2 to 3 sessions to complete. These are basic things. Now tell me. So data definition language, data manipulation language, data manipulation language. Okay. So what is TCL? What is TCL? Tell me. What is TCL?
Transaction control language.
Transaction control language. Okay. See, transaction control language. 1 second, please. Okay, see, TCL nothing but it's a transactions. We'll see each and everything detail, very, very important topic. Okay. So without this, nothing will there on SQL part. What is DRL or DQL? So data retrieval. We are trying retrieval or query. So query language. So DCL data control language. Okay, see definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval and control. So data definition language, manipulation language, transaction, data retrieval or data control. So this is the SQL commands or statements or languages. So basic building, if I want to learn SQL, these are the main things. So that's why now I put the first. Okay, so SQL command. So starting from this thing, we'll try to learn the advanced concept. So first these are the basic and very important. So definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval, and control language. These are the SQL commands. Okay. So see, we'll see the same thing in detail. Tell me what we are having in DDL commands. What we are having in DDL? What we are having?
Select.
Not select. Select. Say
Create.
create. Okay. Alter. Drop. In Snowflake, these are the commands we're having. So truncate is a DML in Snowflake. See, create statement, alter, and drop. So create statement, alter statement, and drop statement. So we'll see the same thing. In Snowflake, these are the three commands are available. Create, alter, and drop. Tell me what is create will do. What is create?
Create the table.
Table. Only table, huh?
Function procedure.
Okay, see, it is okay. It is used to create a new
Any object.
database object. Okay, so it is to create any database object. So see what happened. It is used to create a new database objects. It can be so new database. I can create new schema, anything, new tables, then new functions, procedures, then views, the sequences, okay, see, pipes, stages. So it can create new database objects. Okay. So what is alter? Any guess? We'll see in detail. Tell me what is alter? Any guess? Any idea? Noah?
Update.
We can
Alter
modify
means
SQL objects.
Alter means nothing but modify the existing database object definition. We'll see, don't worry. Okay. So what is drop? To remove the database object. Okay, see, create new object. Alter means simple thing. Suppose like I purchase shirt of size L, but my size is M. What I should do? I should go to where? I should go to tailor, and what I should do? I need to alter my shirt. Same thing. I have created one database object. Later point of time, I want to modify the definition. What I should do? I need to alter it. Same thing. After creation of something, I don't want this object anymore. Then what I should do? Go for dropping. So what is DDL? Data definition language. What we're having in the DDL? DDL create statement. We'll see create. What is create? It is used to create a new database object. Okay, see, create. Okay, see, I'll go for table. First, we'll go for table and remainder we'll see in the Snowflake. So, create table name. Okay, see, bracket open, bracket close. So, column one, listen careful. This is important. So, data type. So these are basics, but very important. So column 2, those who know, but we need to learn. Okay, see, data type 2. Okay, same thing. Column 3, data type 4. Okay, see, simple thing. So create table name, column names, and data types. So column names and data type. So column name and data type. So see, so tell me, comma required here. Tell me.
not required.
No, not required. If you put no, it will throw error. Okay, not required. Okay, see. So before that, tell me what is data type. So see, you're saying data type. What is data type meaning? What is data type?
It's a number format or character format.
Simple thing. So which type of data we are storing? So which type? Simple thing. Suppose see, I want to store my X. Where I want to store X? In the X tray. Same thing, I want to store water. Where I want to store water? In the bottle. Or same thing, I want to store my milk. Where? In the milk can. In a similar fashion, I want to store number related information like what? Phone number, salary, then employed. See, I want to store employee related information. So where I want to store employee related information? Tell me in the which data type? Number data type, integer data type. Same thing, I want to store, okay, alphabets or alphanumeric or special characters like email, name, city, address, like a special character. Suppose I see abc123@gmail.com. See here, alphabets are there, numbers are there, special characters are there. So where I want to store in the string varchar, we'll see the same thing. Text, okay, char. Okay, so the same thing. Now I want to store date of birth, date of joining, date of registration. So where I want to store all this information, date relation, the date, time, timestamp. We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, so then number completed. Okay, see alphabets. Then I want to store true or false. Where I want to store true or false? Any guess? Anyone? Any idea? True or false?
Check the
Boolean.
condition.
Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Suppose like I want to store XML, JSON, semi-structured data. So where I want to store in the variant data type. We'll see, don't worry. We'll see everything in detail. Okay, see number, alphabets, dates, Boolean, and semi-structured data. Semi-structured data. Okay, so this is the functionality. So this is the concept of data types. Always go with simple example. So see, so simple, take one table, 4 to 5 columns. So create table employee details underscore T, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Tell me what is underscore T meaning? What is underscore T? Any guess? It's a
Table.
naming standards. Okay, see, if I put underscore T, nothing but say this is a table object. If I put underscore V, nothing but say it's a view. If I put underscore MV, nothing but say it's a what? It's a
Materialized.
materialized. Okay, see, company to company, the standards will be changing. Okay, they'll put sometimes they'll put VW. What is VW? Nothing but it's a view. Naming standards are naming conventions. So it's a table representation. Okay, see, employee ID. What is employee ID? It's a what data type? Employee ID is a what?
Number.
It's a number data type, employee ID. Okay, see, employee name. Employee name is what?
String.
It's a varchar. I'm putting varchar of 50. What is 50 meaning? Tell me, I'm putting like 50. What is 50 here?
Length of character.
employee.
So see,
Name.
up to, it's a column length or a data type length. Okay, up to 50 characters we can able to, if I put 5, nothing but what? Up to 5 characters it can accommodate. See, comma. So employee name, city. City is also varchar. Varchar of, suppose I am putting 50. City. Then employee name, salary. Salary is also what data type? It's a number data. Then salary is there. Then Phone is also number data type. Okay, so mail. Mail is what data type? I would say alphanumeric. It's a var care of, I'm putting something like 50. So date of birth. What is data type? Birth, it's a date. So control C, control N, control V. Tell me this is good looking, huh? So see, when now writing now, always make sure like this is what? This is a notepad ++2. Okay, so go to language, go to SQL. So see, change to SQL. See, these keywords will get highlighted. See, go to language. Suppose if I put, see what happened, go to language, go to yes and SQL. The keywords will get highlighted. See, if I open, if I put extra bracket, what happened? You can answer this is extra. Tell me this is good looking up. We need to follow what? Coding alignment. So we need to follow like this. Okay, so it's the concept. So coding alignment should be properly followed. So this is if you go for MNC, now what happened? These all things are important. Okay. See, so proper naming, proper column name. See, this is like alignment should be proper. This is called as coding indentation. So this is the things you should put in our mind. Okay, see, now so far good. Tell me now we have write this statement. Tell me table will be automatically created. Huh? Tell me.
No.
Why no?
We need to execute this command in the SQL. Then
So
only it will
see,
be.
so see now what happened. This is only scripting tool. This is for only writing purpose. So see, we have created. We have write this statement. But what happened? We need to have what we need to have. We need to have what? One Snowflake account. Okay, see what the point. See, so this is only for writing purpose. Now where I want to execute in the Snowflake. Tell me, Snowflake is a what? We should install any software or any hardware. Huh? Tell me,
No.
for Snowflake, it's a SaaS model, software as a service. No need to install any hardware or any software. Just to create account and work on it. Now what happened? Tell me now. Go to the same thing. So search for Snowflake free trial. Okay, see free trial. See first one only it will be there. Okay, see. So click here. Sign up for free trial. So it's having 30 days. If you want to get more days, so see, search for 120 days Snowflake. So this is by default 30 days. If you want to get more days, search for what? Oh, okay, 120 days Snowflake. See, first video, click the first video, click it. So in the down, in the more. Okay, see. So scroll down. See here, we'll get. Okay, link will be there in the description. Click here. Now see by default, so 30 days. If you want, so same features only. Okay, see, if you want to get so 120 days, you can able to get it done. Okay, so give your details. So Praveen Snowflake. Okay, see which mail I should give. Tell me what mail I should give. Your personal mail. Okay. So put here. So you can give any information. I'm a student. So ABC. So we'll see this. Okay, editions are there. So what editions? Standard, enterprise, business critical, VPS. Okay, so as I now put enterprise edition. So Snowflake supports multi-cloud. So see Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, GCP. So see, so this is the editions. We'll see later point of standard, and these are the features. See normal thing, advanced one. See enterprise, so Snowflake supports multi-cloud. Microsoft, Amazon, GCP. So anybody, any guess? Suppose I'm putting the AWS, you should say any guess, high level. I am putting the US East, okay, Ohio or North Virginia. What it means, anybody, any idea? High level, can able tell? Those are coming from data background. Tell me what exactly this means. Any guess?
That's where our storage will be hosted. That's a data center that we select actually.
Yes, it's a data center. See, in which region? So my data center is available in the US East, North Virginia. Simple thing. Suppose your client is working in the US, what? You should select US East region. Suppose my client is sitting in what? In the Europe. We should go for EU. Simple thing. So my client nothing but what? Okay, so whom you are working for. Supposedly my client is there in North Virginia. So my data will be stored in this cloud in this region. Later point of time, we'll get understand. As of now, understand. So my data is storing where? In the AWS cloud in the US East, North Virginia. Okay. We'll see. So this is a little bit confusing. So as of now, understand high level. So skip. So skip. So see, we are getting this. Now what happened? Tell me, we are trying to create any account. So we are trying to create account and we are trying to access. Okay, see, let me go here. So we'll get a confirmation mail. Click to activate. So give the password. So real time, who will give all these things? Any guess? In real time. So in real time, who will give this information? Any guess?
Admin team.
Admin. Which admin? Snowflake admin. Snowflake admin. We are developers, so we don't bother about its creation. Snowflake admin will try to give the username and password. We need to work on it. Okay, see, remember you should know the navigation part. Okay, so they keep on updating. You need to get it done. Okay, see, this is Snowflake UI user interface. Snowflake SnowSight UI. Snowflake SnowSight user interface. It's a navigation. Now we have create Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. Then what we need to create? Tell me where our table will be stored. Where in the database. Okay, in the schema, our table will be created. See, this is the hierarchy. Snowflake account, database, schema, and a table. Here you need to understand what? So the databases are instances are environment. Anyone, any guess? So databases, okay, instances are environment. Anyone, any idea?
Yes.
It's a development environment. And then anything?
Testing.
So testing environment. Then any guess?
Pre-prod and prod.
UAT. Yes, IT. Sandbox. So pre-prod. Okay, and prod. So those are coming from non-IT. So they need to understand this concept a little bit. Okay, see, most of the people are working as they can able to easily code it. See, development. So testing. What is UAT? User acceptance testing. What is SIT? System integration. We are trying to integrate our data and test it. Okay. So sandbox also one of the testing instance. Pre-production. Okay. Pre-production. Okay. Then so production environment. Okay. So this is the concept. So development, testing, user acceptance testing, system integrate testing. Okay. Pre-production and production will be there. So dev. Okay, so UAT, so same thing. Tell me most of the thing, so as a part of developer, where exactly will work? Line number, where it will work in which instance?
Dev and testing.
So mostly we work in the development instance. So see, developers will write. So remaining are testing instances. So where our data should be coming, ultimately client will see where?
Prod.
End user. Okay, other stakeholder. So see, so we are working where in the development environment, remaining are testing. So once we move all these things, our data should be coming to the production instances. Let me create one database. Okay, see, so see, click plus. So we are working with what? SQL file. So if you know Python, you can work. So go with SQL file. Okay, let me execute the statement. What is the statement? First one is what? So table statement. This is what statement? This is DDL script. Okay, see definition. So control V, So try to execute. See,
We need to create the schema and database, right? Before
yeah.
executing them.
See, now what happens? See, is she saying what? See, so what is saying? So cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have any current database, or you say what it means. Tell me if I want to create. See, listen carefully. So this is error. So what do we want? If I want to create any database object, what require? We require database and schema. Schema nothing but logical representation. Okay, see, this is important. If I want to create any database or if I want to create any database object, we require what? So they mention, see, cannot perform create table. This is a session. So this session doesn't have any database. So first what I should create? We need to create a database. So create database name. So see, so create database. So EDW dev DB. So what is abbreviation? Anyone, any idea? Dev DB nothing but it's a development database. What is EDW? It's a
Enterprise.
enterprise data warehouse. Okay, who is creating this database schema generally? Which guy will try to create? Which guy? Which guy? The admin guy. So this database, this schema. So copy the same thing, Control C, and try to create. Okay, so where I should go? Go to your Snowflake user interface. Okay, see, Control V. So see, what is shortcut? So we can able to exit the same thing, or what we can do? We can use, okay, what? So Control plus enter. Okay, same thing. So Control enter. See, so see what happened. We are in which database? This is my database. This is my schema. So see how to find. See, select current database. So bracket open. Same thing. Current schema. Going forward, you can able to understand. If I want to get your user current user control enter. So see what happened. So see we are pointed to which database? Okay. DevDB, dev schema. This is my username. Okay. So same thing, show tables. If I want to see list of tables, go for show tables. As of now, table is not there. Now how to create table? Tell me. What is shortcut? Control plus enter. See, create a table. So table has been successfully created. How's the list of tables? Any guess? Show tables will give list of your tables. Now see what happened now. I want to see the data. How to see the data? By using what? Select star from table name. So see, select star from table name, control enter. See, data is there. As of now, data is not there. See, one more command, that is DRL or DQ. Say data retrieval or query language. What is the command? That is select. What syntax? Select the star from table name. So this is the syntax. So this is the functionality. Got the point. So this is the concept. So see, so far good. So you first create a Snowflake account. So your task is to create a Snowflake account. So let me open. So we'll see this one is there or not. Suppose see what happened now. I want to create. See, let me put the same thing. It is not there. Let me go for heartbeat. Now see, I want to register for new connection. Now what happened? Tell me this data I want to save. First, what I should have in Snowflake? Tell me. First, you should have one. What we should have? First, we should have one database. So create. Tell me create. Tell me. So create a database. What database? Hathway. It's a what production? It's a development database. See, control enter. See, database has been created. How to get schema? So create schema. What is schema? We can give any name. Who will take a real time? The admin guy. How to find your database name, schema name? Select current database. Okay. So current schema. Okay, see, control enter. So we are pointing to which database as of now? Pathway DevDB dev schema. How it's list of tables? Show tables. Control enter. Now I want to create this table. How to create this table? By using what command? By using what command? By using create statement. Create is a what statement? Say SQL statement. So create. So table. What's the table name I can give? Pathway registration. Pathway registration underscore T. What is underscore T meaning? It's a
Table.
It's a table representation.
Yes.
Okay, so let me go back here. So table. Tell me name is what a type? Name is var. I'm putting 8 is the data size. Like this only you need to learn. Okay, so same thing. Okay. So go for alignment. Okay. So name. City is what data type? City is also var care of 80. So same thing. So then next one is that what address is also what? Address is a alphanumeric. Okay, where? Okay. Then pin code. Pin code is what? It's a number data. So control D. Okay, so it's a number data. So number of six I guess. So then contact number. So contact number is what data type? So contact number. So contact number is a number data type. What is it? Follow the coding alignment. Okay. And the same. Now copy the same thing. So where I should execute in the Snowflake user interface. Okay. So go here and try to execute. So see what is shortcut. Now tell me it will work or not. Any guess? Tell me.
No, it won't work.
No.
Why?
Because the contact number we should put underscore or anything.
See now what happened. So see
Syntax.
unexpected. See tell me this is a separate thing. Now what happened now? If I want to tell me it's not good look. We can put underscore. Okay, see underscore. See again what happened? Dot is there. So suppose like if I want to get the same thing, put in double quotes. Okay, if I want to get the same thing, put in double quotes. Okay, show tables. How to see the data by using select the statement. Select them star from your table name. Control enter. Okay, so this is the concept. But drawbacks is that what? Tell me now. I want to see this column. How to see? Tell me it work. So every time what I should do, I need to put in double quotes. Tell me it's good looking. It is not good looking. So generally, how to write a query? Tell me. So Control C, Control V. So we need to remove the same thing. So dots will not work. So make use of underscore like this way we need to make. So this is the coding standards. We should use underscore. How to list of tables? Show tables. How to see the data by using select the statement. So select the star from pathway, the same function. So this is the concept. So see, so for today's your task is what? Create Snowflake account and create these tables once again. So you should do this task. Then let's see SQL concepts, go to tables. So see, before that now you should follow these things. Okay, see. So we need to give proper naming. Spelling mistake should not be there. Coding alignment, semicolon should be there at the end. So when it use Notepad++, we'll have proper things. Okay, see your task. Okay. So you need to create all these tasks. Else in this thing, you need to work on all these tasks. Create multiple database, multiple schemas, and be comfortable in the Snowflake UI. Okay, so this is the concept. So you should do the task. Okay, see, so attending and going, nothing late. You should do the task, send to me so that I'll try to validate and revert. Okay, so this is the function. So you should be comfortable with the UI. So they keep on changing the UI. You should be comfortable. So click on, okay, see, click on SQL worksheet. Okay, SQL.